Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome all of you in this video, and today I'm here to explain you about Oya Skin Patches reviews. Friends, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with skin care solution products including anti-wrinkle patches all-in-one, anti-wrinkle patches for facelift, anti-wrinkle patches for eyes and smile, and anti-wrinkle patches for neck and chest, including Derma Face Lifting Mask, Vitamin C Serum, etc. Guys, you can find the skincare products for your forehead, crow's feet, smile, lines, chest, neck, and for general. So this is one of the amazing destinations for all skincare products. Now let's check out the payment information of the site. And for that, you need to visit the FAQ section first. So this is the FAQ section, guys, and here they have mentioned that they accept all major credit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, Amex. And let's move on to the shipping policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the shipping policy or shipping info section. So this is the shipping policy page, and according to the website details, the estimated delivery time is between 5 to 21 business days. But guys, for United States, it will be 6 to 14 days, and for United Kingdom or Australia, it will be 5 to 14 days. For Canada, it will be 7 to 15 plus days, and for Europe, it will be 7 to 21 plus days. So this was the shipping information, guys. Now, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, the domain name was created on 13th of April 2020, which define its legitimacy. And let's check out the About Us information to know more about this website. So this is the About Us page, guys, and they have mentioned the information regarding their commitment and offering, which is a good sign, but I'm not able to view any information related to business owner name, which is not a good sign. And talking about contact details, you need to visit the Contact Us page. So in this page, they have provided only a query form. They have not provided the complete contact details on this page. But yes, at the bottom of the home web page, you can find the customer support information, including the email address, hours, and official address. Guys, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now, talking about the social media existence, the site has strong social media existence on Facebook and Instagram. You will check out the social media account handles or profile on the given links. This is a good sign, guys. Now let's move on to the return policy of this website. And according to the website details, they have provided 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And when it comes to the Oya Skin Patches reviews, guys, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, including 3.1 rating out of 5 on Trustpilot. Guys, many customers are satisfied with the quality of the products. However, some customers are not satisfied with the customer service as well. One of the customers wrote, I bought some products from Oya Skin, and after trying them, I am very satisfied with the results on my skin. I recommend the Oya Skin products to anyone that cares about her or his skin. However, another customer wrote, placed an order 7th October. I emailed on 8th of November as I had not received any goods. 6 weeks on, they have still not replied and still no goods. Rip off, don't waste your money. So these were the negative and positive comments about the site services and offerings. So guys, in the final conclusion, I would say you can give it a try, but you can make a wise decision by exploring the website at the best level. And guys, if you have money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we would love to hear your views and we read all your comments over every video. Guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam and legit alert notifications. So thanks for watching this video guys. Hope you like it and thank you.